Morning all, here we are in the workshop stripping down the Honda VT750S, which is part of the Shadow range. And today I'm going to be fitting an aftermarket exhaust. Even though this one sounds okay, I found one on eBay, good old eBay. That wasn't very old, second hand, but it wasn't very old. The guy reckoned it only done 200 miles. So I got that for 100 quid. Can't believe that, because most aftermarkets for this are sort of 600 quid. So it's a Leovince 2-in-1, the one I bought. So I'm going to have one pipe sticking out the back, joins about here somewhere, but it looks alright. I'm just going to see what it sounds like. This one sounds, say, quite reasonable. At the moment we've got all the flanges loosened off. I've undone all 2 bolts under here. I've removed one. I've got one halfway out. Got one O2 sensor out. I'm going to take the other one out when the exhaust is off because I can't get my spanner on it. But that's as far as we got so far. So once it's off, we get back to you when we're putting the new one on. It's quite easy to do. It's all 12mm stuff. So nothing technical, just a few bolts to undo. See you in a while. Right, welcome back people. Here we are, look. Silvertail. Picking it up. Silvertail. 2-in-1 Leovince exhaust. I think that's how you say it, isn't it? Leovince, whatever. Looks shit, doesn't it? No, we've got covers to go on here yet. It's a pretend exhaust really, that's only a cover. That's got a complete bit of stainless on it, but or chromed metal, whatever. But you have to fit these covers on with these clips. That'll be interesting. But I'm excited. I want to start it up and see what it sounds like. Do you want to see what it sounds like? Yeah? Come on in. Let's do that. Let's do that then. Let's turn on the old key. Because I ain't heard it yet. Put you back down there so you're looking at it. Ready? Turn the kill switch on. How's that then? How's that sounding to your ear? Kind of loud. I might have to put the baffle in and see what that sounds like. I'll put that in and I'll get back to you. Right, there she is then. The finished article. All the heat shields are on. They're pains to put on, they are. They're bloody clips that go behind. Like a Jubilee clip. Right pain. But we got it done. It looks quite nice now, all nice and shiny, with a single pipe sticking out the back. And I managed to get the baffle. It baffled me a bit, because the hole is inside here. And I thought, how the hell do you get to that? And I've undone these screws here. I think there's 3 screws around that back bit. And then you have to use your palm of your hand to keep doing that, and it gradually wobbles off. And that then shows you the screw hole in that part to put through into the baffle and hold it in place. And it needs the baffle in my opinion, because it's just too loud with the baffle out. So would you like to hear it with the baffle in? Say yes. Yes. Alright, here we go then. Put that on, turn that on, and I ain't going to run it because I've got moany neighbours. So here we go. Ready? clean it now. Get all the bloody handprints off it. But there we are, that's the Leovince Blackjack 2-into-1 exhaust. The VT750S. I think it's actually meant for a VT750 something else. One of the more cruisery ones. It's the cruiser that's got that similar seat. But it fits this. Sticks out the back a little bit more than I'd like it to. But there you go. Sounds nice. See you later, tubes. Bye bye now. Wherever you ride, ride safe.